Welcome back, everyone. The compassionate care of a hospice team can bring comfort to patients and caregivers when they really need it the most. But beyond just taking care of patients, hospice professionals make sure they're following important safety guidelines. Our Victoria Bailey joins us in the studio with more on that.
For many families, trusting a complete stranger to care for a loved one is a difficult task, but it gets even harder when the job's not done properly.
It had gotten to be unbearable for me, and I appreciate them so much and having them, because there's no way I could have kept making it by myself.
Myron Johnson's family started receiving hospice home care about 8 months ago.
Before my wife came to the memory unit here, she was at home with me, and I was the primary caregiver, and she was just it got to be really a burden for me to do everything and keep her meds straight and keep those on the appropriate time.
Hospice home care is designed to address a patient's physical, emotional, social, and spiritual needs, but Kindred Hospice Care Executive Director Diane Triplett says you can't forget about safety.
We have nurses that goes out and they do get orders from the doctor to draw blood, and they do dispose the needles in the biohazard sharps container. They do have that in their vehicle, locked away in their trunk in case they do have to draw blood. They'll have a proper way to disposing of it.
Triplett says if the nurses don't properly discard home care items, it could mean big consequences for not only patients, but anyone in contact with potential hazardous items.
They will bring it here and tape it up and put it in our biohazard container here, and we have a biohazard truck that comes by and pick it up so that it would not get into the landfill and possible sticking people with it and causing injuries.
Johnson says for his family, having a nurse who practices safety is just as important as the care they're administering.
They keep me updated constantly, and then when she changes medicines, if she has to change the meds, they're always appropriately disposed of, and I just know that she's well taken care of, and that's the main thing to me.
Now you can get more valuable information and resources to help seniors at WCBI's Healthy Living for Seniors Expo. It's next Wednesday, September the 27th at Lee Mall in Columbus from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.